Remember those dreadful moments when your teacher said make a presentation, and you just sit there staring at your screen, thinking where do I even start? Well, those days are over. Got a vague idea? A random question? A stack of impossible materials? Even a messy mind map? No problem. PopAi can turn anything into a presentation. Want to see how it works? Just drop all you have in any format in the chat box, doc, PDF or PPT, even a URL, or type any context you have like your rough idea or your paper topic, or even with your specific question. Type in any question you have. Choose the number of slides, your speaking time, your audience, and the purpose. That's it. PopAi instantly brainstorms a clear outline for you. Want to tweak it? Add, move, or delete sections as you like. Not feeling the first version? Hit refresh for a new one. Or ask AI exactly how you want it improved. Now, with your outline ready, it's time to pick a theme. We've got 25 unique styles for every occasion. Click Create Presentation, and in seconds, you've got a polished, professional presentation. But here's the best part. Every word can be rewritten and perfected. Every image can be enhanced for that extra wow factor. It's not just a tool, it's like having a team of designers and writers working for you. Finished? Download your masterpiece, share it with a link, or preview it in all its glory. From scattered ideas to a jaw-dropping presentation, PopAi takes you there effortlessly. So why wait? Step up your game. Try PopAi now and see how presentation can be easy, stunning, and unforgettable.